What we have here is a closed chamber, a full top and bottom plate. Nothing more than packing styrofoam. This is one of the key elements in the discovery of the building the lifters. As you see, some of them discharge, some of them don't. They charge up. If you could observe this very closely, you'll notice that before they leave the lower plate, they turn on their edge. Doesn't take much of a charge. In fact, you can overdrive the charge. Actually, I call it overdriving. You put too much in it, nothing will happen, you see. This will go on until the capacitor is completely discharged. And when I say capacitor, I mean this closed chamber arrangement. They keep this, they charge up, they'll lift, some will stick to the sides, some will hit the top plate and stick, some of them will discharge when they hit the top plate, drop back down, and charge up again. They'll stick to one another because they'll match up opposite charges. This foam will, when it stresses, dielectrically stress, there's positive negative zones. And those, when they opposites match up, they lock together. That'll go on as long as there's a charge in the chamber.